I'm too damn focused to worry about a bro.